Celebration, wigs, fashion, fiesta. We are going to learn today color. What color are you going to choose for your very first wig purchase? I'm going to share with you my journey, and also if you stay at the end, I'll share with you a huge discount code where you will have a big savings on purchasing of your first wig. Let's begin. Okay, what color? Yep, you're going to be trying to match your own natural color. If you purchased a wig or a topper that is of human hair, you actually can take it to your beauty salon and they could try to match as close as possible to your own natural hair. I actually did that with my very first topper. But then when I got into the world of synthetic fibers, I just found they were so much easier to keep. And I love all the colors. In fact, you're not going to believe the colors that I have evolved to. I've gone from a red to blondes to I'm wearing recently platinums. Yes. In fact, this is the first time I've had this dark color, which is my very, very first wig. Her name is Jenna. Color is Almond Roca. I bought it from Godiva's Secret Wigs. And down below is the code where you can realize 15% off on your very first wig purchase. But I just loved it. You know, it was just beautiful. It was seamless. Now, when I went out to my very first special event, a friend of mine commented, "You just look so good, Grace." And I said, "I'm wearing a wig." I just had to tell her. I had to tell my close friends I'm wearing a wig. Do I look kind of weird? They thought I looked beautiful. In fact, 2 of them are also into this wig fashion with me, this wig journey. It's just so much fun. So I encourage you to, it's okay. You're going to stay close to your own color. But one other suggestion I have, when you do get your wig in the mail, or if you purchase it from a local store, do wear it in the home. You're going to be afraid, believe me, you're going to be afraid to immediately be wearing it outside. So if you start wearing it in the home, then you start wearing it to the grocery store, then when that special event or the dinner party or whatever comes up, then you're going to be a lot more confident in wearing it to that special event. It's all a process. We all are the same. You're not alone. We all feel the same way. And what I've also decided to do, for every comment that is linked into all my videos on this particular platform, I'm actually going to be putting some funds into a special account, of which is going to be reserved for underwriting and helping other women who may be financially compromised and unable to purchase the first wig. So do put in a comment. I thought this would be a way of raising funds to try to help other women. And then also subscribe and put the little, hit the bell, because in my next video, I'm going to delve into unboxing your wigs, what to do and what not to do, because my goal is that if you're going to return that wig, you're able to get a full refund. It's easy, but there are some protocols that you need to be aware of. Have a great day, and always to be kind, and one woman at a time, we are helping each other express our unique inner glow. Have a great day.